Are you an international student preparing to study in Canada? Well, it is an exciting journey but requires thorough preparation. And with all the excitement going on, it is easy to overlook some critical details like having all your documents in order. So, here's a quick guide to all the documents you'll need at the airport for a smooth entry into Canada. Valid passport. Make sure your passport is up to date. Port of entry letter of introduction. This is sent by the visa office upon the approval of your study permit. Letter of acceptance received from your designated learning institution. A valid visa, be it a study visa, electronic travel authorization, or a valid visitor visa. Financial proof to show you have enough funds to cover your stay. Medical exam results if required. Just make sure that the results are valid on your arrival date. Any letters of reference or additional documents that the visa officer instructed you to bring. Remember, border officers will ask you questions to verify your plans and intentions. Prove your ties to your home country like a job, a house, or family, and be prepared to explain why you leave Canada after your studies. Please note that getting your student visa is not guaranteed and depends on meeting all necessary requirements and providing accurate documentation. Each visa application requires a tailored approach backed by genuine documentation.
That is why Canam is here to help. Our CEO, Mr. Anurag Sandhu, is a licensed consultant and RCIC authorized by the Government of Canada to give immigration and visa advices. So, connect with Canam today.